On today's video, we're going to assemble a pop-open gas cap for a 67-68 Mustang, supplied to me by my friends over at Kentucky Mustang. Let's go. Now, these gas caps can be used in one of two configurations. One, just a normal pop-open style with a gas cap. We're not using that, so we're going to set the gas cap off to the side. We're going to use the pop-open feature on ours. So first, take your spring, place it into the spring cup, followed by the retaining plate, followed by the bolt with supplied washer. Push the plate down, screw the bolt in, followed by the gasket. Make sure you line it up with the holes. Followed by the cup. Followed by your 4 tiny screws. There you go. Now it should be noted that before you install this, if you have an emblem you're going to put on, that needs to go on first before this piece. I'm not going that route, so I don't have to worry about that. But there you have it. Pop open gas cap for a 67 or 68 Mustang. Thanks for watching.